Welcome to the narrowboat that James built. This is now week 3 of this narrowboat renovation, and the priority area remains the engine bay and engine. So far, this is all a long process. The engine had to be taken out and washed. Parts were taken off to be serviced. The engine bay then was scrubbed and cleaned, and then it was de-rusted using various tools. Then it was cleaned out again and then de-rusted again using the hammer. Then it was degreased. After drying, it was then vac danned. After another 24 hours of drying, I was ready to apply the red oxide. And here it looks with its first coat of red oxide primer. And with Ralph's clock ticking, there is a lot for me to do. And when I got to the yard today, Ralph basically said that my time here is coming to an end. He needs to get me back in the water because he is chock-a-block throughout the summer. So I've got to basically finish the engine bay so he can put the engine back in so he can get it off his bench. And then I need to do the sides and do the blacking underneath. So I reckon I've probably got another week here, but the engine is going back in definitely in the next few days, which means I need to finish doing the engine build. So that is the plan today. Just going to get changed into my painting clothes, ups and downs. Here we go. This is the floor paint I'm using, which is very kindly given to me by Joel. So I've given it a good stir. What I haven't done is checked the state of the bilge. So this red oxide has now been down for nearly 48 hours. So it's obviously going to be dry. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Hang on, I'll put you down here. Right, yeah, that's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's all dry, it's nice. Happy days. Right, let's same process. I've put these mats down to give me something to stand on. But yeah, the red oxide's gone down just fine. And there's no moisture in here at all really, so that was all dry down there. Last time it wasn't, so that's good. So yeah, same process, do the back walls first. It says, I mean, that's quite a big tin to bring down here, so I'm going to decant it into that little receptacle and basically pour it down and spread it out with a brush or roller. Easy peasy. Right, that is extremely lucky. It is just kind of starting to spit very slightly, so I can put the lid back on it now, and I'm relieved to say that I've got the first full coat done. So that is a bit of a weight off my mind, to be honest, and it's gone down really nicely. Oops, sorry. So I've still got to do that little bit there where my foot had to go, and still got the weed hatch to do. The top of that is there, so clearly I've done nothing with that yet, but this is good. Right, Morse controls back inside gently. That'll do. Okay, it's kind of raining a little bit now. I've got the skip being picked up tomorrow, so I've got to heave that mattress into it. That the skip is nearly full now. So next job I need to do whilst it's spitting is a job which is covered. I'm thinking, let's scrape the underneath of the boat. I seem to have a Vetus underneath my boat. So I need to put something on that to scrape off the rubbish above it. Actually, it's hardly any, that'll be all right. But that is now the position that I have to kind of clean down and paint the boat, the engine. So that'll be fun on the knees. Right, so this is the bit I've got to do. Basically, all of this rubbish has got to come off. And then the other side, all down there. So, looks like it should be okay. Some bits come off nice and easily, like that. And some bits don't. Right, I need some tools. That one for the hard stuff. Gloves. I got safety specs. I need some kind of mask, but I might have to forego that. I also need something to sit on. Look, that kind of chair there. I'm going to go and see if I can grab something. That's the kind of thing, although I don't know if that's really going to help matters. It doesn't really slide, does it? I thought I saw a really good one somewhere. And I think that's the one. Yes.
Did you find one?
Yeah, I did. I don't know if it's going to be any better though.
Bit naff, really.
They are a little bit.
Go right under.
Yeah. Oh dear. Well, I got myself one of these, but it only goes back and forth, so I think it's really for blacking the boat. Also, it doesn't really help me much, if anything. I don't know, does that make it better? Let's give it a go. Right. Right, let's do it in a line. Let's do that. Actually, yeah, this is better than kind of scrubbing around in your knees. I take it back. This is the shittest job on a narrowboat. Right, I think that is me done for the day. I'm just going around trying to get some more little bits out. I can see some more kind of low-hanging fruit until some kind of power tool has to come out just to kind of clean it all off. This stuff will come off quite easily, but that is going to be a horrible task. So I'm going to have to get myself that good gas mask for then. This is going to be a load of dust. This has been quite easy. It just flakes off. It's just tiring on the arms. But yeah, I think I'm going to crack on with a bit more of this stuff. Thank you so much for everyone who's kind of, well, watching the videos really, because it's massively helpful. I'm really enjoying this build and I hope you guys are enjoying watching it. Thank you to everyone who is kind of supporting it. There's an ever-growing list on the This Boat Loves wall. I'm going to have to move over to starboard side soon. Oh, right. Here we go. That's a good bit. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.